some wooden gates and show you what to watch for and what to be careful of. Beautiful, beautiful neighborhood in the Mount Olympus area. Gorgeous homes with beautiful views. And you can see the existing gates and look what happened to them. And that's what I always mention to people: wooden gates, fences or anything that's made out of wood gonna have to always be maintained, and if you don't maintain it, that's what's gonna happen. And this wood is the Ipe wood. As you can see, people who understand in wood, you can see the wood grains and understand this is Ipe, which is considered to be pretty strong wood. But look what happened to it. Look at the rust falling down from the nails that were nailed into it. And let's go and see the other gate. Very similar situation. Now, when you're calling a professional stainer, somebody who really know how to stain wood, do all the prep work and things like that, the charges you're going to pay in Los Angeles for a pro guy, I'm not talking about somebody who think he knows and just going to mess it up even more, they're going to charge something like anywhere between $2,000 and $3,000 to do those two gates and to do them properly. So that's about it. What I'm always suggesting people is make sure you maintaining it and follow up. If you want to do it right, I would say twice a year. Give it some cleanup, some oiling. If you're using the penicillin oil, it's good for the Mangueras wood and for the Ipe wood. And you're not going to get to a situation like that where all of a sudden you have to throw a lot of money into it or replace the whole gate. Now, if this gate wouldn't be made out of the Ipe wood, you probably would have to completely replace it. So, some of our gates that have the aluminum wood with aluminum frame, all powder coated and looking good, you're not going to have to go through any maintenance or anything like that. So that's a very good option to check and look into it, and probably will be the right way to go. Aviv and David at Mulholland, 1-800-562-5770. Thank you very much. Have a beautiful day.